is introducing the brand new D-Top X saw blade line. Your choice of excellence for 300mm, 96 tips, 10-degree hook angle table saw blades. D-Top X, the cutting edge in performance, extended life, and low noise. New standards of quality levels, the classic version or the extended life gold labeled premium version. D-Top X, your choice of excellence. Option 1, laser marking only. Option 2, laser marking and HP printing. Option 3, D-Top of the pyramid, the gold labeled premium quality with the non-stick electrostatic coating. Advanced body design with anti-vibration slots filled with adhesive polymer. Optimal gullet and tip design enables fluent sawdust evacuation, minimum turbulence, and noise reduction. 2 available grinding geometries, TCG or ATB with 10-degree hook angle. D-Top X, superior cutting performance for most types of man-made boards, such as MDF, chipboard, and plywood. Chip-free cutting edges top and bottom. D-Top X, your choice of excellence for superior cutting performance, extended life, and extremely low noise.